hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Honestly, I would love for us to hit 10,000 subscribers this year. It has been my dream for a very long time, so if you're new watching this video, please hit that subscribe button. I upload twice a week and I would absolutely love it. So yeah, thank you in advance if you do, and if you haven't, make sure you do. Today's video is something I have wanted to film for a very long time, and I did film this about 3, 4, 5 years ago. I can't even remember, maybe 3 years ago, and that is my subscribers do my Lush haul. So seeing as I have filmed this before, this is my part 2 of my subscribers do my Lush haul, and I asked you guys over on my Instagram to recommend me some products that you think I should buy. I sent Ryan into Lush, bless his soul, with a list of all the things you guys have said, and he's picked from the list and he's picked up about £30 worth of products, which I haven't even looked in this bag. It's completely sealed up. I haven't even smelt it, and today's the day. We're gonna dive in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So I am gonna do my best to open the bag and not look at the other products, so we're gonna dive in. Let's go. I'm so excited to see what you guys have picked, because you guys know me better than I know myself sometimes, so let's go. The first item is in a pot, and we have the Twilight shower jelly. Now, I love Twilight so much, so you guys know me so incredibly well. Twilight is a really beautiful fragrance. It's lavender and vanilla. It's so beautifully fragranced. I can't even really fault it at all. I absolutely love it, and the shower jellies are so fun. Oh, it just smells like a spa. I love it. This one looks absolutely stunning as well, because it goes from being blue to purple. It's so pretty, and I love it. So yeah, thanks guys, really appreciate that. 10 out of 10, love it. So the next item in the bag is another pot, and that is the Ocean Salt face and body scrub. I have not used Ocean Salt in years. Honestly, I have not used this probably since I worked there. I really like Ocean Salt. It's a very invigorating scrub. I just never buy it. I don't really know why. I just tend to use all the cleansers that I get in the Fresh and Flowers boxes and stuff like that. So yeah, I haven't used this in a very long time. Ingredients wise, this one has fine sea salt, fresh grapefruit grapefruit infusion, very hard sentence, fresh lime extracted in vodka. We have extra virgin coconut oil, lime oil, seaweed absolute, and violet leaf absolute. Let's give it a smell, even though I know what it smells like, but let's smell it anyway. Pretty. Look at that sea salt on top, so stunning. Oh, it just brings me back, like, oh my god, that smells so nostalgic. It smells like pure Lush to me, like working at Lush. Oh, amazing. And look at that blue. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to give this a try. So thanks guys, whoever suggested this, I love you. Thank you very much. Next up we have, ooh, a piece of soap. And I have wanted to try this soap for so long. You guys know me far too well. This is the Lotus flower soap, and I am going to open it as carefully as I can so I can rewrap it, but this is beautiful. As you guys can see, it has melted a little bit because it has been in my room for a little while. Oh, this smells like something I've smelled before, and I cannot for the life of me figure out what it is. What is that? It smells like, it smells kind of like drumstick lollies, like squashies almost. Very similar smell. This is beautiful. It feels incredibly moisturising. Oh my god. Can't get over that. Look at the beautiful colour as well. Absolutely amazing. I love that all of the slices now have this Lush kind of embellishment on the side. Oh, that smells heavenly. Oh, that's delicious. I could eat that. I won't, but I am tempted to lick it, but I won't. But that smells delicious. Wow. So good. Love that. 10 out of 10. You know who you are if you suggested it. Amazing. Okay, next up we have what feels to be a bath bomb, and that is the Unicorn Poop bath bomb. I have wanted to try this for weeks. I honestly haven't tried any of the new bath bombs yet, and I'm so excited to try this. This is a beautiful bath bomb. Ingredients wise, it says it has bergamot oil, Divana oil, jasmine, absolute, ylang ylang oil. I think that's kind of it, but let's give it a smell and see what this smells like. I haven't even seen these in person yet, so I'm so excited, honestly. Let's have a look. Okay, wow, that is beautiful. A little bit shocked at how pretty that is. I don't really like the name. I feel like it's a little bit childish, do you know what I mean? But whoa, okay, that smells familiar. Okay, to anybody who's been a Lushy for a long time, what does this smell like? It smells like something I've smelled before. I can't get over the colours of this. It's absolutely incredible. But it smells like something I've had before. What is that smell? I don't even know, but that smells absolutely insane. Oh my goodness, thank you guys. Honestly, whoever suggested that, because it's so good. That one up my nose, a little bit dust, one of my nostrils. And the next item in the bag is actually the last item, which I'm really upset about. I could do this all day because I feel like you guys know me better than I know myself, so maybe next time I should up the budget. This was a £30 budget and I believe it came to just over £35, so maybe next time I could do a £50 budget. Let me know if you'd like to see that, but that won't be for a little while because I have a lot of Lush stuff trying to get through. So moving on to the last item, we have what feels like another bath bomb, and that is the Black Rose bath bomb. Again, another brand new one. So excited. Okay, so Black Rose bath bomb. This has Rose Absolute, rose oil, geranium oil, lemon oil, cream of tartar, and all those other bits and pieces. So let's open it and have a smell. I have a feeling my hands are going to get covered in bath bomb powder, but let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay, I'm excited to see this because they did have this a few years ago and then they discontinued it along with loads of other bath bombs, and now they've brought it back, so I'm hoping that maybe the formula has changed. Oh, okay, hang on. That is stunning. Look at that. It's almost like a really dark purple. Oh my god, it smells like rose jam. Oh my god. Oh, that smells insane. This smells so good. Oh, amazing. Wow. That smells edible. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to use that. I am so excited. I love the look of that. I love the smell. And actually, my hands didn't even turn that black. So very, very impressed. 10 out of 10. Love it. So that is everything for my subscribers Do My Lush haul part 2. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to any of you who put in some requests of things for me to purchase. I absolutely love everything, which I'm not shocked about because you guys know me so well, and I am just so thankful for that. So thank you for my haul. I really appreciate it, and I don't really know which is my favourite. I'm gonna have to say that the unicorn bath bomb I think is absolutely incredible. The Black Rose bath bomb smells amazing. Obviously Twilight jelly I love. The soap is it's just all so good. And now I can actually tell you the total. So the total for everything was £34.55, so not that bad. And I will just run through the prices very quickly. So ocean salt was £11 and the Twilight jelly is £5.50. The soap was £6. The Black Rose bath bomb was £6, and the unicorn poop bath bomb was £6. I do think the bath bombs have gone up quite a lot because I feel like back in the day that definitely would have been like a £4.50 situation, but never mind. Let me know down below if you'd like to see another one of these videos in the future, and maybe with a different budget. Let me know down below, and obviously don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram and everything like that, because that is where I will ask you guys for things like this. So make sure you follow me over there. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope you like this video, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye guys!